Good morning, friends. Today we will talk on financial management, the meaning and definition of financial management, and this will be useful for MBA second semester students as well as PGDVM students and other financial management students. Now let us discuss what is financial management. Before that, you should know these are the two words. One is finance or financial, and second one is management. And then that is a combination of financial management. Now, what is finance? Funds, finance क्या है? So, finance is required for establishing, developing, and operating the business efficiently. It includes the management of money. It also includes the activities like investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, and saving pertaining to personal, corporate, and public or government levels. Finance covers the study and management of money as well as almost any activity relating to money. Finance is a large industry related to the distribution and trading of financial assets. So फाइनेंस का मतलब है फंड्स की जरूरत है बिजनेस के लिए, and that's why it is said that finance is a lifeblood of the business organization. What is financial? It means obtaining or raising funds and allocating those funds on the basis of monetary requirements of the business. पैसा या कैपिटल या फंड्स रेज करने का और वो पैसा सही इस्तेमाल करने का, दैट इज अ फाइनेंशियल. It pertains to monetary receipts and expenditure, pertaining or relating to money matters, financial operations relating to those commonly engage in dealing with money and credit. Business finance is the funding a business needs for commercial purposes. It is the money business owners requires to start, run, or expand a business. Finance is the foundation of any business. It is nearly impossible to succeed without strong finances in place. Now what is management? अभी हमने finance देखा, financial meaning देखा. Now अभी management क्या? So management is a planning, organizing, coordinating and controlling human activities with reference to finance function for achieving the goals of the organization. It is the process of planning, organizing the resources, operations and workflow of a business to achieve specific goals in most effective and efficient manner possible. तो जो हमारे पास पैसा आएगा उसका सही इस्तेमाल करने का, प्लानिंग करने का, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग करने का, एंड दैट फंड और दैट मनी शुड बी यूटिलाइज फॉर बिजनेस पर्पस ओनली. Efficiency in management refers to the completion of tasks correctly and at minimal cost. So that is the meaning of management. Now what is financial management? That is a combination of finance and management. So financial management is the process of planning, organizing and controlling an organization's financial resources. It helps an organization to achieve its goals by making informed financial decisions. So financial management is all about monitoring, controlling, protecting and reporting on a company's financial resources. Finance teams are also responsible for ensuring follows the company follows all regulations, stays solvent and is as profitable as possible. So जो फंड्स मिले हैं उसका सही इस्तेमाल करने का and control करने का, and the main purpose also to make a profit. That is in short the meaning of financial management. These are some of the definitions of financial management given by finance experts. Wheeler defines business finance as the business activity which is concerned with the acquisition and conversion of capital funds in meeting the financial needs and overall objectives of business enterprise. According to Gutman, business finance can be broadly defined as the activity concerned with the planning, raising, controlling, and administrating the funds used in the business. In the words of Western, financial management is an area of financial decision making, harmonizing individual motives and enterprises' goals. So financial management means funds raise करने का. That funds should be properly planned and that should be utilized for the productive purpose of organization or enterprises. Thank you very much. Happy learning. ओके किती मिनिटाचं झालं कमी झालं सर